Milwaukee Tools is an excellent choice for beginners. Renowned for its nothing but heavy-duty motto, the brand offers various power tools, including essentials like drills, drivers, saws, and more. In today's video, we have listed 10 best Milwaukee tools you must own, so let's dive right in. The M12 Paint and Detailing Color Match. Light is a versatile tool designed for precision in paint and detailing work. With a CRI of 98+, it replicates natural sunlight, providing accurate color representation for detailed work. Boasting 1,000 lumens, this light source is ideal for illuminating metallic surfaces and identifying imperfections like scratches in paint. It offers 5 color temperatures and 3 brightness modes, providing flexibility and control over the lighting conditions for different tasks. With a runtime of up to 6 hours on high, the M12 Color Match light ensures extended use on a single charge. Equipped with a strong magnet for easy storage and a chemical-resistant build for durability in various working environments. The M12 160 by 120 Thermal Imager is a cutting-edge tool designed for professional preventative maintenance and troubleshooting applications. The imager features a 160 by 120 pixel resolution, providing clear and detailed thermal images for precise analysis. In addition to thermal images, it includes a visual image to enhance understanding and comparison during inspections. Powered by an M12 red lithium rechargeable battery, the imager offers portability and ease of use. It comes with a hard carry case for secure storage and transportation. It is ideal for a range of professional uses and is particularly suited for tasks requiring thermal analysis, such as identifying temperature variations, inspecting electrical systems, and detecting potential issues in mechanical equipment. Milwaukee Fluorescent Lamp and Ballast Tester Kit is a valuable tool for maintenance teams aiming to streamline their processes. Designed for both fluorescent lamps and ballasts, it allows users to troubleshoot issues efficiently. This tester is an essential tool for maintenance teams, offering a cost-effective solution to identify lamp and ballast problems, thereby cutting labor costs and increasing productivity. It ensures precise measurement, providing accurate readings for effective troubleshooting. Built with Milwaukee's reputation for durability, the tester is designed to withstand the demands of professional use. It provides an easy-to-use lamp, ballast, and pin test for 10x faster troubleshooting. The fluorescent lamp and ballast tester's small portable design makes it perfect for any professional electrician or maintenance technician. The Cheater Aluminum Adaptable Pipe Wrench by Milwaukee is a versatile tool designed for efficiency and adaptability in pipework. Crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum, it is easy to handle while maintaining strength and longevity. The wrench is adaptable, with an adjustable head that allows it to grip pipes of various sizes, providing versatility in different applications. Its compact and portable design makes it convenient for both professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts, ensuring ease of use in various work settings. It is designed to handle pipes within a specific size range, which makes it suitable for a variety of pipe-related tasks. The Cheater Aluminum Adaptable Pipe Wrench offers a reliable and convenient solution for gripping and turning pipes with ease. The M18 Cable Stripper is a game-changer in cable stripping, offering a safer and more efficient experience. Powered by the M18 battery system, the cable stripper provides the freedom to work without the constraints of cords, enhancing mobility on the job. With no exposed blades, the cable stripper ensures safer stripping, minimizing the risk of accidents and injuries during the operation. The tool is designed to streamline the cable stripping process, improving efficiency and reducing the time required for this task. Suitable for a range of cable sizes, the M18 Cable Stripper is a versatile solution for professionals working with various types of cables. Available as a tool-only option, allowing users to leverage existing M18 batteries and chargers if they are already part of the Milwaukee tool ecosystem. The M18 Force Logic 6T utility crimpers and cutters represent a cutting-edge solution for professionals in the utility industry. These tools feature Force Logic technology, providing optimized performance for precise crimps and cuts. This versatile tool is capable of handling various tasks, from crimping to cutting. It is compatible with a range of interchangeable jaws, offering flexibility for different applications. Featuring a fully enclosed high-speed hydraulic pump, the crimpers and cutters deliver reliable and efficient performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, these tools provide durability and extended tool life. The inclusion of red-link electronics and red lithium batteries ensures optimal power management and longer run times. With the convenience of the M18 battery system, these tools offer cordless portability, allowing users to work with freedom and flexibility. The M18 Fuel Blower by Milwaukee Tools is a high-performance cordless handheld blower designed to tackle a variety of outdoor cleanup tasks with ease. The blower is equipped with a brushless motor, providing more power, longer runtime, and increased durability compared to traditional brushed motors. With a maximum airspeed of 120 mph and a maximum air volume of 450 cubic feet per minute, this blower delivers impressive blowing power for effective debris removal. The blower offers cordless freedom, eliminating the need for cumbersome cords and providing greater mobility. It is available both as a standalone tool and as part of a kit, offering flexibility for users who may already have compatible batteries and chargers. Whether you're clearing leaves from your yard, cleaning up a construction site, or maintaining outdoor spaces, this tool provides a convenient and powerful solution. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel Braking Die Grinders are a game-changer for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. These grinders are engineered with innovative features, offering exceptional performance and control. This model boasts variable speed control, allowing users to adapt to different applications. The braking feature enhances safety by quickly stopping the tool when needed. Compatible with one key, this die grinder wirelessly connects to a smartphone to track and manage the tool, providing users with visibility to where tools are across their network of jobs. These grinders display brushless motor technology for extended tool life and increased efficiency. Whether you choose the variable speed paddle switch model or the slide switch version, both provide reliable braking, ensuring precision in your grinding tasks. Milwaukee's 12-inch digital measuring wheel is a cutting-edge tool designed for precise and efficient measurements. Crafted for durability and ease of use, this measuring wheel stands out in the market. The digital display ensures precise measurements, providing accuracy for a variety of applications. Engineered for ease of use, the tool allows one-handed operation, enhancing user convenience and efficiency. Built with reinforced aluminum frames, the measuring wheel is designed for extreme durability, making it suitable for tough job site conditions. The design prioritizes user comfort with increased ergonomics, allowing for prolonged use without discomfort. The backlit display feature enhances visibility in various lighting conditions, ensuring readability in both bright and low-light environments. Next on our list is the M18 Fuel 15 Gauge Finish Nailer. It redefines finishing work with its cutting-edge features. This cordless nailer offers the convenience of a pneumatic tool without the hassle of hoses and compressors. Powered by the red lithium battery system, it provides unparalleled portability and runtime. The nailer delivers a consistent driving force for precision in every finish application. Its 15-gauge magazine accommodates a variety of nail sizes, ensuring versatility for different projects. The tool-free depth adjustment allows for quick and easy modifications, which enhances efficiency on the job. The integrated RedLink Plus intelligence not only ensures the tool's longevity, but also promotes user safety. Designed with a no-mar tip, the finish nailer protects work surfaces from unintended marks. The dry fire lockout feature prevents damage to the workpiece by indicating when it's time to reload, avoiding blank drives. So, that was the list of the 10 best Milwaukee tools you must own. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.